Bekeni vie doji. E chat ohoen ure doimia ou ba igbogma. Ohoen ure doimia 100 times. Unyi mama u ba me bege. Me kwe no ma gbere yo ma ogbava. I will not allow somebody to deal with me twice. Once beating, twice shy. She's bound to do it again. Or they do ever who again. How can you tell me where is a poverty? Poverty is an enemy. Poverty is this. It's not poverty. This got nothing to do with poverty. She's greedy. Because a man Soro Nusewa said there are a lot of people that are poor. But there are some certain things you will never do to them. There are a lot of people that are poor. There are some certain things, no matter what, they will prefer to stay like that. They will prefer to stay like that. I don't want to come and be making any reference. There are people like that. It has happened years ago. Oh, your man in a call him sister Lao go. Sister Lao, you need go daughter when you are the sister. Erinye ga getting a tewe. Erinye here like because Lao go mama Lao la. In a way raga to boy tie nene way. I really need this money. Idiye no matter boy tie me. Idiye ne. We not tie me because he go any you not buy. That man never called. Or in yeta, or why your body no wuji. Was there him a who or ho or I am mujegbe? Ayo body no wuji. Ayo body no wuji. He was the one that offended me because then a mature man, me na small picking. In what made me accept her, I tell her say never. All those time for Nigeria those days, when una go they intimidate us by say una be adult, una grow, una be mature people, una go they use that thing till they intimidate us. Ina we take care. You offend me, you need to tell me sorry. Or we can regbe. Nye awe tinyere be my age. They no want me say over here or team with sister, my daddy or sister, my daddy. If your daddy not call me, and really a daddy ma call. If I didn't have a capish, you that my uncle with hey Biana, oh my God. People are like that, not be poverty. Not be imagine say that my uncle na person will be say poverty get or he not get himself. Oh we marrying. Okay. Emi no win yin obi o kan kere o but also do I he never that one not me say I know the dash children something o say anything wey concern am make kind only a man no gele ye keep their dignity a man no keep their self way no matter what a lot of people, they not get children for Europe. They not get children for Europe. They not get anybody for Europe where they send money to them. They sell rice. That woman where they call upper woman where they sell rice and stew. Now that rice and stew, she says she take build us for upper there. Now rice and stew, she take build us for upper. Many people they not they depend on Europe money. They not get anybody for Europe. They go sell rice and stew. They'll use and build one flat, build 6 room, build 5 room, 4 room, passage house. They go they sell different things, provision things, called mineral. They go they do it with clean heart and clean hand. They go they use and survive. Ni wao no pinyare so they can go loyal to anybody. Now all these kind ones who more picky from Europe go they call Amaka out mommy call, sister call, mommy call. That is why you see me. And they select those ones where they associate with. And they select those ones where me they associate it. People that know the value of things. People that have respect of things. People that will not respect you because you are based in Europe. People will not go they respect you because say you get money where you they give them. just because they know your worth. Just because they know your worth. They know they call you mommy, call you sister because of what they want to collect from you. They respect you because of whom you are, not because of what they are expecting from you. That is the type of people I associate with. I don't move with people that call me mommy to extract from me, to collect from me. I am mommy uwani. You go climb Iyore no why, Iyore no wo be, Iyore no create depression. I don't go me fiame. You go climb the platform, he de. Iyore ga walk be. Iyore ga move bekuta be. Iyore mumu Iyore. Imagere ruzu averiana. Imagere ogungbu ese. Imagere nika ogbu egege. Mumu Iyore wa de move bekuta. Ona ya isheme. Demi no kona matarun digo. Iyore na via oda ikechi chinyere na via oda we no si wani ona via oda no si wani okona na vezeme junu sta ye gazebulu keleo no wo hangi yagbe mege izebulu keleo Iyore na we nuwedo si wani nu si wani ona gele gasu na gasu Iyore no wa nero wodo no avasi honi ro wodo Iyore no wa nemo monotami ya veni ya agba omo e. Can you teach without you don't have experience? Can you teach without you don't have, even have a teacher not teach in school, they pass through some educations, they write some exams, they have a certificate before they can come and teach. Jori I will live video, all that from where, omana wana basi aga wana, because yene wo wa. Emi ni yega iju wa unu wa mieke na banye gije. Just listen to her. She just come out, they play victim. Eh?
Oh, we go, Wuna me, you go, the 6 million to Wuna me, you go. On one area, got you, where you so do. When about Mola Gava, man, only so to well, only man, no. Oh, no, my pleasure. If it's way back by the way, I will you receive one. Well, I do it.
Juliet. When we don't see any man, don't know. Okaoba. Okay, but damn it, mommy, time I know damn it.
Oh, when will damn it?
Damn it, any metana. When no send money, we don't know. Okaoba. Ima beg it.
Who be this? Whether na Bobby or be wetin you be. Why you not bring your mama con ugbe ovagbon? If easy, bring your mama may you con chest am. Wow. Iyore na better pass you. Etu wa Iyore amuju ware nu wa do try nu wa ge. Iju wa ga we. Wa na we ije o ya go and do it iju na gele when if a ball like you egbe. Nu na gbe ovagbon. Una go dey talk rubbish. Your mama go get 7, 8 children. Not be you be number 1 pikin, not be you be second, not be you be third. They die. Wega imwere na una imujwere no do udo wije adeni do mawe. Ijwera gelejo yere tijwe ohuwa. Agbon gbe. Wa riyokoy. Wa Iyore agbolokoshi yo mami mi oveta. Ave bandit on social media. Wa.
Damn Oka oba de no ya bully we da go bia bo abi obi aboda. E ma ya na bi kon apa. Mana na ti agbe o. I wo mana. You understand me? Then I mommy blue man last year. My yana see me osege no, my yana mu dia no we no we na ma. Oni oka owo. Dami o. We dami o ne. Dami o. Dami o, dami o ne. We dami o, we dami o, we dami o. Mommy tame we no dami o me ne.
We dami o my love.
Ebi no ki. Mana me donating we dia. Igo lu bi ate me obi ma. E abiye. Onye emani oji na biene do oni na oka o. Upo give the doya mo ugbe ji ya se gbe ngba emani wa gba industry. We are talk we are set favor we ma egbe time we bog be yo be boy doya.
We not time.
Let her return that money. You want me are here now.
You go yo be enu gbe yo be no gi oba ni go ye enu gbe.
We have yet to man one of them we do less social media on our obonyime.
Oh, what's the woman no tani kakabose? No time me and my get somewhere bog bijori. Or jump paper. Mama not get carried away by her tears. Me man like him and no jefeya woman. I don't know why. It be like say we Nigerians, we are really gifted by this emotional thing. When somebody come out, come begin cry, come begin saloboa. Also, when you start crying, even you working on a moment.
Mommy, if you go here na, if you go when you ba kan tu gbe, ni jo be no gi oba bi enu e. You go zebu.
What we use it.
Okay, 6 million ya waru. Yeah, 6 million no gi oba bi enu e.
Imasa mu wa we. Ijo de ona me Mama
Yeah, 6 million. Mama Blue.
Wa mute na ga je ko pa fun.
All this noise, not just noise. For me, as a person, you don't already day into movie, you don't day. Now my point be that. You don't date the front line for long. You know if it say you don't know how they do things. What about you now? Now cause and Lancelot no invite many of una for the thing where you do that year. You know, I said that year, which how many weeks ago? You know, invite many of una and come they cry, papa. Then what do a do nene for Bini? They not invite una because a lot of you are not composed. A lot of you, when you are given an opportunity, a microphone to express yourself, to like say the reason why you are there and say something, you are going to spoil it all. You can't. You can't. A lot of Yoruba women in ate Yoruba movie ni goazebu. Immediately ya swa atine, e ma swa riane, iye ya swe adult school. Iye ya swe adult school because a day will come from nowhere. There is a party I went, there was a party I went, okay? When I get there, for no reason, as I just they climb the step, enter the hall. Now so they put mic for my front. You are welcome. What is your name? How is this person that is celebrating related to you, friends, family or so? And I was just like, okay. I breathe in, breathe out, then I start my point. Not too long, not too short, but you give it. Just make a line. You never very only not see well a lot of very only no ya we see let me not see where ni nyaga. Oh, me opportunity no ya guama mi emeta. All ye do we him. Me opportunity no ya guama gua. Umari gua. Now what for you? Me ma understand. Wani bungwa yawe mi obe bani wow. Only cultural will not solve it. Why yawe mi obe mo bua ave cultural no wagbe na manati whatever location. E solve. I'm so happy now with 500,000 account. Go and start something tangible. Yes, when there are a lot of job you can start doing now. Abuma the first lady when wire ya eka. Wire ite tonka. I know a lot of you will be like, bolos on igbene, bolos emiro panorigo gioma. Only a problem one boom, a problem one boom. Why what bolos as a kind business. No way a small business even yana. Una gele moi it will lift you higher more than you expected. Go and start something small. Omano gele yo bom wigo omano de okay here. You must not be overrich when you are a bit okay. Omati uwe nyaga nyaga. Omani adobo uwe nyaga nyaga. Then we are bullshit omani self. But because they rock mero to eruwawa, you will now running to come and leak from somebody that insulted the hell out of you without no apology. I was waiting and thinking we were talking in anywhere. Ovije egui, igele wa lowe egui. Eh? Who shall be what is the point in all this? The point is all of them. She is a point of contact to them all. Most of them that don't have anything doing, they are just there relying on this cultural thinking and all of that. They don't have support from anywhere. They should go and start something meaningful, something small. Let them start from small. Let them start doing something that will be fetching them money. Because iyana swami go kere ni ya weni imashogi ya dwala la tatowe o manako kebo mugbe o mano gele de okay no make you go o maila di adoro biewe whether that person na dangote or not you will still hold your ground and say no until that person apologize. In me video no ya apologize I will never look to that person's face. You hold your ground, you stand your ground. Why are you swimming na here? Why are you swimming now? There are a lot of 1001 job in Nigeria. Why are you swimming now? Ekie va egboma. Ekie provision. Eva egboma. Now how you take care yourself? Na matter. How you take care yourself? Na matter. Many of you na not get business where they first should not be big money. But why are you there by meeting? A meeting is one zigu wakwa. Why me go wa do me miti wa the bag and shoe wa dona wa de miti wa spray.